Hello guys, welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I am going to discuss on CoinMarketCap airdrop of Showcase token. In order to participate in the Showcase airdrop of CoinMarketCap, you should first have Ascendex, which was formerly known as BitMax account. So first you should create a BitMax account. If you are already having, you can directly log into the account. You can see the mobile version of BitMax account. So in order to get UID number, you should convert it into desktop mode, and again you should go to the bottom of the website page and click the PC mode. Then only you will be able to see the UID number in the website version. Otherwise you should have to download the Play Store app. Then you can go to the profile button there, click on the account security section. Then you can see the UID number just above verify now button and near to the username button. If you verify your account, you will get more chance to get the airdrop. So better you can verify your account. Okay, now we can go to the airdrop page of CoinMarketCap. If you are not having a CoinMarketCap account, you can create a new one by just signing up with email ID. You can see the short token value is 0.285. If you wish, you can also purchase this token in Ascendex. The token is already listed recently and it is a good project for future. Okay, I'm going to log into my CoinMarketCap account to participate in the airdrop. Then you can see 2 days, 15 hours left for the airdrop. Click on the join airdrop button. Then the first step is to add the Showcase token to your watch list. Just click on the button. The second step is to join Ascendex Telegram group. In order to load the Telegram link, just click on the open browser button of Chrome. You can just click on the join button and join the Telegram group. There is no captcha verifications. Now you can go to the Ascendex Twitter account and just follow the Twitter account. Okay, our tasks are almost complete and now we should enter the proofs. The first we should enter the UID number what we have copied from the previous Ascendex page. We can take the Ethereum address at last. We can just go to the Twitter handle. In order to take the Twitter handle, just go to the Twitter account page in the website and just copy the Twitter handle seen below your Twitter name. Come back to the airdrop page and submit it in the Twitter handle column. Then submit your Telegram handle. This should be the Telegram handle with which you have joined Ascendex. Some people have confusion. The Telegram handle is actually the username, not the major name given in the Telegram profile of you. Okay, then the last step is to take the Ascendex account, Ethereum or Showcase tokens address. Both the addresses are same since showcase is a ERC20 token. So better you can search the showcase token, and you can use the mobile version in order to search smoothly. Then just select the showcase coin, just click on the deposit section. You will load the address, just to copy the address and fill it in the column. And with this we conclude to this airdrop. Hope you have understand. This is very easy. Just the final step, you should authorize both and click on the join airdrop button. You can see that 20,000 show tokens will be airdropped to 1,000 random winners, and 10,605 participants already participated, and the airdrop ends in 3 more days. So best of luck for all participants. Thank you.